I'm going to attempt a wrap that I saw my friend Nisa do over the weekend at shul. She was wearing what I believe was a mini Bobo, but it could have actually been a full-size Bobo. I'm not exactly sure. I have to ask her. She wore it as a half wrap, and basically she had a pedal soft on in what I believe is a Cate knot with her hair hanging out. And I'm gonna try it in this beautiful, beautiful waffle print scarf. She also had a headband on it, and then she had like just hanging down, draping like a princess. Really, really gorgeous. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. We know it can be done, but how is the question? I don't know how far down she had it on her forehead, but I believe she didn't have hair showing at the front. So I don't know if she would have tied back. She had her hair long and down. I don't know if she would have tied it up to actually make the knot. I always find that when I make this knot, that parts of my hair kind of get swept up in it. Okay, that's a nice shape. I'm gonna put on this headband because she did have a beautiful headband in there as well. Maybe I'll put this up for some ripples. Okay, which side is longer? I actually did it evenly this time. Okay, so then she brought these up, and then basically a Cate knot. Can't see what I'm doing. So I brought these up at front, do the Cate knot. There we go. Hers was hanging down longer, so I believe that's maybe because the pedal softs are longer, but I do like that a lot. I'm gonna try to do now, since I have y'all on video, I'm gonna try to do the same thing, but I'm gonna do one end longer, one end shorter to try to get the length out of this skirt, because maybe that's what she did, because I don't believe the pedal softs are like super duper long. So let's do this. Hopefully that'll be long enough to still get the knot up top, but get some extra length. I love the height and just the way the hair falls down underneath it. Maybe I should have, I usually when I do half wraps, I tie my hair back. I wanted to get this done quickly today, and it's ending up not being so quick anyway. Okay, once again, headband. And this is my longer end, and this is my shorter end. The shorter end is definitely long enough. And I'm gonna tie it so the shorter end will go underneath. Wait, that's not the way to do that. Oh, I actually didn't tie it up correctly. The shorter end is coming up off top, but we can troubleshoot that. And just fold it up in here. And then she kind of had it really nicely just fanned out and hanging. Maybe she even like tucked in one of those ends there. And had this end hanging out here. There we go.